In the fourth part of our tutorials on medical professional recognition, we focus on the Kenntnisprüfung, or knowledge test. This is a vital step on your path to obtaining the German approbation. Why is the Kenntnisprüfung so important? The test ensures that your medical knowledge meets the standards of the German healthcare system and is a prerequisite for the approbation, your unrestricted license to practice as a doctor in Germany. What can you expect? The exam consists of a written and an oral practical component. It covers areas such as internal medicine, surgery, and emergency medicine. You will demonstrate not only your theoretical knowledge, but also your practical skills, including patient communication. How can you prepare? Take advantage of specialized courses offered both in person and online, and deepen your understanding through self-study whenever possible. You'll find a list of recommended institutions in our booklet, which you can download for free. And the costs? Exam fees vary by federal state and range from €400 to €1,000. For more details and to download the booklet, simply enter the link next to me into your browser. Best of luck with your preparation.